Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we are opening the color of red. The next one is blue. Kids, now we are opening the color of blue. And the next one is white. The color of white. Kids, the next one is black. Now we open the color of black. The next one is green. Now we are opening the color of green. And the last one is yellow. The color of yellow. First we have drawn the alphabet of A, and now we are using the color of blue. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. The next one is I for eyes. The next one is J. And the next one is K. L. M. Now we draw M. N for nose, N for nest. O for oxygen. P for penguin. The next one is Q. R for rose, R for rice. S for snake. T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z.